one of the last remaining bells with healing sounds echoing softly amidst the mountains. Where? Tell you? I wouldn't dare. Roosters cock-a-doodle-doo in the background. And Mother Nature fills the air with the rest of the sounds. Yeehaw, mother suckers. In your big diesel 4x4s. Sometimes it's like a car show out in front of my door. But today, more than any other, I feel the blessing of Source Creator. Waking up to this beautiful light. It can't get any better. 360 degrees of God's natural birth. Just let it be.